Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily make a video montage. To begin, click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com. Download the installer to your computer, open the file, and then follow the installation instructions. Okay, so open the software and click Create a Montage in Easy Mode. Here you can add the photos you want in your montage. Click Next when you're done. Now it's time to add music. You can add your own music by dragging your file to this space or by choosing from a wide variety of choices in the left pane. When you're done, click Next. You can edit the video duration here by sliding it to shorter or longer. Click Fit to Music Length to make the photos automatically fit the length of the song. You can also adjust the volume balance here below. When done, click Next. Here you can export the video as is, or click Continue Editing to access the full features of the software. We'll outline a couple of those options next. To add transitions to your montage, click Transitions here. Pick a category and preview a transition by clicking one. Now you've chosen a transition, drag it in between the clips like so. Now you'll see that there's a smooth transition from one clip to the next. If you prefer to do this quickly, you can use the Transition Wizard. Click this button, pick a style and duration, and click OK. You also have the option to add texts by clicking the Titles button here. Pick a title you like and drag and drop the titles track like so. Edit the text in the preview window as well as other properties located above the same window. To export your video, click the Export button on the bottom right. You can upload the video directly to YouTube by signing into your account. Click the format you want to export in and click Start. And there you have it. Making your own video montage is easy with my favorite video editing software. Click the link in the description box below to visit video-editor-software.com and get started. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video, leave your comments or any questions below, and click subscribe for more video editing tutorials. Good luck!